What's up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach, and today I'm taking y'all into Home Goods with me, Peach Patch. Is you ready? If you ready, go ahead and hit a like for your girl. Today, I decided to come to one in Brandon since Bye Bye Baby is right by Brandon, and if they have it here, we're gonna buy it. I don't feel like this face kind of cute. What y'all think about this vase, Peach Patch? It's cute. It don't match my furniture though. I don't know how much it costs. Girl, it don't match your furniture. You don't need it. I like these white vases too. This is only 20 bucks. I had a bigger one on the other side, but they don't have it. They got all the ottomans in here. Look, the other day me and Daddy were looking for an ottoman. That's why we came to Home Goods, and the Home Goods we went to in Tampa on Del Mabry didn't have any like ottomans. Now we're in this one. They have all the ottomans, but me and Daddy ended up buying a black couch, and we got it in our room, and I love it. He actually slept on it last night with Baby. I was like, really, dude? Now y'all gonna be sleeping on the couch? I thought like maybe we was just gonna watch movies, have a little date night, put on our shoes on the couch, but no, they slept on it. But look at these ottomans. Ottomans. I like this kind of storage kind. It's too cute. This is something that I wanted, but God worked it out for me to have better, because I wanted something like this, and these things be expensive. They're like 200 bucks. But the one I got, the couch I got, that green is cute too. The couch I ended up getting from Big Lots, they gave it to me for $200, and it's a big old full-size couch. It fits perfectly at the bottom of my king size. Maybe one day I'll show y'all my room after I get it exactly the way I like it. For these storage bin ottomans, this one is 100 bucks. Let me see how much this costs, because I like this. And if it's 100 bucks, I would buy it and put it under the bench that I'm about to buy. If it's not too long, it might be too long. Let me see, because this matched my kitchen table too. I don't see the price. Peach Patch, here is the price for this ottoman with the storage bin, which I like, because I'm about to start doing some homeschool stuff with Gorgeous and Baby, as well as the older kids. I'm about to do extra work with them, but it's $149.99, which isn't bad. Let's see if they got the table and how this would fit under the table. I really like this. I can store our stuff in here for school, and then it'll look cute. It'll be decorative, etc. This brown bench too. This grand brown with the wood. I like that one too. I like this little stool. I was telling Daddy we could get some little stools like this, but they kind of got the storage in them. All right, Peach Patch, let's see if I get lucky and find this thing in here, so I won't have to go to the other one. Oh my God, they got everything in this location. I truly feel like I made a mistake the other day going to the one on Del Mabry. I love the one on Del Mabry because they have a parking garage. Like when it's raining, all the kids can get out. We went shopping with all the kids. It's better for me to not vlog when I have all the kids, because I get a little aggravated. But when I don't vlog, I'm not aggravated. I can enjoy the experience. My kids were so well behaved. I was so proud of them. But with this, they have everything. I love these dream catchers. They have everything in this one versus the other one's like nothing in there. But I think because everybody shops. So if you're in the Tampa Bay area, you might want to come to this one instead. It already has a chair in her room, but this is what I like about this chair. Look at that. That looks so comfy. How much is it? $129. That is so cute. But she don't need a chair, so I ain't gonna buy it. I could hear Daddy saying she don't need that. This is what I like. I like the little ottomans like this. The little things you can lift up and store stuff in. But we're supposed to be looking for this table. Let me hurry up, because the kids and Daddy are in the car. And like it was gonna rain, so we didn't want to take the baby out if it's gonna rain. They got everything in here, like all the little unique pieces. Oh my God, I like this too. This chair is 300 bucks. I like that. They don't match nothing in my house, but I like it. All right, so nope, not right here. Let's keep going. I wonder if they got the curtains I want. I bought some curtains out of here. The curtains that you see in my living room, I got them out of here. The other one, they got no curtains. The one on Del Mabry, no curtains. But behind our other couch, I wanted to put some more curtains, some longer, thicker ones, because I got some from Walmart and they were really thin. And it's 2 panels for $29.99. But I don't like this gray. I want a darker gray. My couch is really, really dark gray. This one is $39.99 Ralph Lauren. But I don't like this style. I like the kind of curtains that have the metal hooks like this. These are $39.99. I don't see no dark gray ones that I like as far as the price go. I need to like the style and I gotta love the price. Yeah, I hate this kind of curtains. All right, Peach Patch, as far as curtains go, I still don't see any gray ones that's really dark that got the hooks that I like. Like this cute, this is a cute little texture. 2 panels for $19. Oh, I like this. I like the price. And then $19.99. Wonder if they got another set of this. See, you can find you some good deals. With these, I'm not gonna get them because it's only 1 pack, and I would want 2 sets for each of the windows. So this is like the only pack I see. This is, it look like Milo blackout curtains, and it's only $19.99. Very good price. All right, I need to hurry up. I'm not gonna look through this anymore. I'm gonna wait for another day to come. But like I said, they got so many Ottomans in here. We originally went to I need to call Daddy to get out. We originally went to HomeGoods today because we wanted an ottoman and we needed lamps for the living room, and they didn't have anything. But man, this location got everything. Lamp. I love how big this lamp is, and it matched my couch. I like the clear in it. My couch don't got no gold. My living room don't have any gold, so I wish this was silver. These lamps are only $50. Oh my God, I want to buy those. I'm about to get Daddy a pen because Daddy good at decorating too. He been helping me and he liking. Oh, look at this lamp. This lamp is so pretty. I like big lamps. That's one of the reasons I didn't order my lamp off Amazon. I did get the lamps for my bedroom, and they're so cute, like girly glittery diamonds, but they're little. They're like this height versus these. I want something big. This one is 80, but it got that gold. These cute though, these little lamps. Over here, $29.99. Good price. I love the bottles, and you can always change the lampshades. All right, Peach Patch, I just talked to Daddy. I don't know if he gonna get out or not. The baby started crying, so he might be about to get out. But I'm debating between this one. I just don't like that it's gold. I wish that was silver, but look at this lamp. I'm in love with these. Look at the body on this. It's the body, yaddy, yaddy, yaddy. This lamp is gorgeous. I love the clear base, but I don't got no gold in my living room. Which, I mean, ain't nothing to add gold, but $60, and they got 2. So if y'all looking for some, look at that. It's the details for me. Look at the little top. It's clear. Oh, I love that. I love the details in these lamps. I think I might buy these though. I just wish it was silver. I'm about to go on the next aisle. They got more lamps. I am in love with these though. Oh my God, I'm doing my room. Blush pink, gold, black, and silver. They got more lamps. Move this card out my way, because this lamp is cute. It's $60. It's white. That matched my living room. I love the clear bottom. Let's see if we can find a second one, because I want 2 on my end table. I'll buy that one. I like that one. I need to get a buggy, child. I'm in love with this location. I should have been came to this one. I came here last time and got stuff. That's why I was like, girl, you really should have been came here. My bedroom lamp looked more like this, but like not like this, but the lampshade is like that. These are $49.99. Dang, somebody like they bought. I was debating about this lamp too. There was a different lampshade though. That one is $100. Oh my God, I wish they had 2 of these. Let me go get a buggy. Funny, Peach Patch, because in the beginning I felt like I can't decorate. I don't know what I'm doing. And once I stopped telling myself I couldn't decorate, stopped psyching myself out, I went and looked at old pictures of how my home used to look. I got more confident, and I feel like I'm doing a great job with my whole house. It's gonna be something that I like. Me and Daddy was having that conversation. He was like, you gotta do what you like, not what other people like. Not what you see other people doing on YouTube. So my house is gonna be the way I like it, and it's really starting to feel like a home. For the first time in years, my house feel like a home, and I really like it. Go get the baby and get the kids out of the car so we could buy this stuff. It was just about to walk inside.
It's scary.
So my kid's sitting here looking at the bird, turtle, octopus. No choice, love animals. Yep, got a turtle on there and on the pillows. So
Is it Mr. Crab?
Mr. Crab. Right, Peach Patch. So they do have the table that we wanted, which is awesome. It's right here. It match our kitchen table. It's $149.99. So I gotta tell Daddy that I was not paying attention and looking for what I was supposed to have. These white chairs are $175. I'll show y'all when I come back. So they do got the table. I wanted to show you the ottoman I seen. You see they got all the ottomans in here. So with the lamps, I was looking at these. But you see I got the gold. What you think? And then look at this one. I really like this one. I like this one, but they only got one. You like that one? This white one? Which one you think? The navy blue ones or the white one? But they only got one. Some more lamps. I want a big long lamp. We was looking at these in the other Choicey. Oh yeah, they had some other shades. I told you I think somebody had switched them. They 50. We were debating about that kind of look. Can't wait to get Daddy's opinion. He was saying we didn't have to have a lamp. We could get some big white vases. I gotta show him the white vases I seen in here to see if he likes them. This is a hard decision for me. Ooh, Lord, I like that lamp a lot. I'm in love with these gold ones, but my living room not gold. And then I love these. I think I'm gonna go with these. These are my favorite. I like the style, even though it's gold at the bottom. I think I might be able to get away with it. We'll see when I get home. Daddy gonna go ahead and grab the navy blue ones for me. That's gorgeous stuff. Peach Patch, I think this one is pretty cool too. I like this. This is what I want, the storage bin part. That's what's important to me. I'm gonna show Daddy the ottoman that I like. Daddy said that we could get this. He likes it, so we're gonna get this as well. Hmm? They got dollies. You want me to tell them to help you with a dolly? They'll carry it out. So Peach Patch, I'm gonna try to do a walkthrough of this store sometime this week. White vases, you like those? Or you want something bigger than that? It's a cheetah, a gorilla. Choice like this. Choice will probably have an animal house. Oh, look at the big old monkey gorilla. I want to do Barbie like stuff like this. It's only 20 bucks. Whoa. I would think that costs way more than 20 bucks. When I tell y'all, I feel like I'm hitting a jackpot with this location. They got everything. They got some unique pieces. I'm in love. Won't lie, won't lie. We're just waiting on somebody to come carry this for us. So I'll show y'all some of this wall art. Get into the wall art, honey. I like that bakery sign. That's cute. Yes? How much is the cheetah? No, you probably would break it. It's glass though, Choice. It's $24.99. Choice love animals. You want that? Oh, you want to buy that for Miss Barbie? Patch, comment down below what y'all think about this. It's blue like my couch. Got silver in it. I hope I like these lamps when I get home. Choice keep on picking up the animals. Daddy about to go off. All the boho themed stuff. I see a lot of people want to do their house boho. Y'all might want to check your local Homegoods. All right, Peach Patch, so they're taking too long to come. Daddy's about to get a second buggy and just stand it up in the second buggy. We're gonna go get in line. Patch, I just looked at a picture of our couch and it's not the same color blue. Daddy looked like he just so over me. I might just have to wait. I want to get the other ones, I think. But I love these lamps. I like the body of them. Peach Patch. So this came up to $161.24 with tax. I stressed this man out. I end up coming back and saying, okay, we're gonna get these lamps, so we're ready now. Come by a big mirror, but like a silver one. Come on, pretty girl. They got a lot of mirrors in here today. All right, Peach Patch, we're gonna go ahead and pay for these bad boys. Peach Patch, I just realized with this lamp, it's like, it's moving. I don't know if it's supposed to do that. It gotta be screwed on. Oh, wait, but I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna put them on my tables. Daddy still got one more table to put together for me. And if I like the way it looks, we're gonna keep it. If not, we'll just bring it back and look for another one. He said you might need to go to another Homegoods that people don't know about. I don't know where that's at, child. To try these. It's a Australian made soft licorice candy. Granny Smith apple flavor. It's $2.39, so I'm gonna try these. And those lamps are $50 a piece. I really like them though, even though they got the hint of gold. I like how big they are. Peach Patch, well, I was about to panic looking for my wallet, and the whole time it's in my bra. Peach Patch, our total ended up being $110.05. All right, Peach Patch, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. You know what to do. Go ahead.
You like, hit her like you like, hit her like you like. For your girl, you like my pictures, hit her like you like. You like my videos, hit her like you like. You ain't no hater, hit her like you like. You getting paper, hit her like you like. Go like, 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 like. Let's go. Like, 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 like to the four. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the IK-EY, bae. Hit her like he like and send that love my way. L to the IK-EY, bae. Hit her like he like and send that love my way. Like, 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 like. Let's go. Like, 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 like. Follow. Like, hit her like, hit her like he like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like, rock with a like. To the left, to the right, go like. Australia better like, US better like, UK hit her like, hit her like it like, hit her like, for your girl. Take it back to the like, from the left to the right, go like. Scotland better like, hit her like, go left to the right, go like, Africa go like, worldwide go like, I hope y'all like this sound. Yeah, that's right, hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking back.